Welcome back to the Weather Center. On Sunday afternoon, we saw fairly active storm systems developing over the western areas of the Free State, pushing down into the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Further north, we have lots of storm-bearing clouds drifting from Botswana into the northern parts of the country. We also have this fast-moving cold front, which has introduced rainy weather into much of the south coast. Now, here's what you can expect for your Monday. We are going to see this cold front leaving our shores, but behind it, there's going to be this area of high pressure pushing rain-bearing clouds into the southeastern parts of the Eastern Cape, southern KwaZulu-Natal, eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. The rest of the interior will stay with isolated to scattered thunder showers. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly sunny for much of the Western Cape and the western areas of the Northern Cape. Light to moderate winds are forecast on Monday for much of South Africa. A fresh southeasterly breeze is expected around the Cape Peninsula. We are also expecting fresh southwesterlies around Richards Bay. So KwaZulu-Natal is going to be mostly cloudy with light rain along the south coast and the eastern areas. Thunder showers are forecast as we go towards Newcastle and Ladysmith, a high of 24 for Durban and Port Shepstone. Light rain for Port St. John's and Mthatha in the Eastern Cape. Thunder showers are forecast for the northern parts of the province. The central and southern areas will stay partly cloudy, dry with mild afternoon temperatures. Mild afternoon temperatures are also forecast for the south coast of the Western Cape with just a few specks of cloud overhead. It's going to be sunnier and warmer as we go towards the southwestern areas. Cape Town peaking at around 30 degrees. It's going to be hotter as we go towards Vredendal. Springbok is also going to be hot with a high of around 35. Thunder showers continue on Monday for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape. Kimberley will reach a high of around 32 degrees. It's going to be fairly unsettled for much of the Free State, Bloemfontein and Welkom, peaking at around 31 degrees. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms are forecast for the bulk of the northwest, Mahikeng and Zeerust warming to around 29. We are going to have isolated thunder showers across much of the Limpopo province, light rain as we go towards the eastern sections around Msina, Tsanin as well as Palabora. Light rain is also forecast in Mpumalanga for Skukuza and Mbombela as well as Mkondo. Thunder showers are expected for the high-felt areas. Thunder showers will continue for Gauteng, Pretoria, peaking at around 28. On Tuesday, we stay with thunder showers across much of the interior, light rain for George, Polokwane and Mbombela. Then thundery downpours are forecast on Wednesday across much of the interior with cooler afternoon temperatures.